Baby Brett's finally awake. One of the few moments so far. Got a few hiccups. Actually gonna suck his thumb. Well, maybe pick his nose. So cute. He just got done feeding about 15 minutes ago and trying to digest. Hey, buddy.
How's he doing? I'm really glad they let us, or that we, you want me to come over there? Did you know what, Brett? The very first day I heard the hiccups in my belly was when Josh and I had our wedding anniversary on May 6th. I remember. First hiccup. And now you got them just like you did before.
I don't know if I like to be on camera.
Well,
Whoa.
he may be allergic to it. Did I hear a hiccup? You're not sure what you're thinking, huh? Tired hiccups? Sneezes?